So will AI kill accounting firms? That's a very interesting question because it's probably one of the most talked about topics right now in the accounting industry. One of the things that I would like to bring up to is that I think AI will have an impact on our industry. The real impact will be how AI can help us with automation, taking routine and automated functions that we normally would be doing ourselves and improving that, where we would just have to ask a question and then the AI would just automatically do it for us. It should increase and improve our ability to do less of that work. Now, is AI ready for us for the accounting industry? I'm not sure at this point. I don't know if the services or if the technology is there for our particular industry. I know it's advancing quite a bit. I've used it in roles such as brainstorming. So I come up with an article and I want to improve on it, and I use that component. I've used it for PowerPoint. I've used it for emails. The part that I'm a little sensitive to is because we're professionals and we deal with a lot of proprietary information, particularly customer information, and putting it to a general AI routine and asking it questions. I've seen it perform, like to do a profit and loss analysis and so forth. My biggest concern is, where does that information go? How does that information get secured so that I only get access to it? And I'm not sure I have the comfort level at the present time. And when I look at ChatGPT and I look at some of the other ones, they always have a caveat there that doesn't provide me the feel-good perspective that the information that I'm putting in here won't get accessed by other people, or the data is just random data and it won't be tied back to specifics. So that is probably my biggest concern with AI right now, and utilizing it is because of what information we use. If you're going to use it for, let's say, social media, if you're going to use it for general broadcasting or general information, I think it's a great tool. If you can use it to do analysis, but as long as the analysis is a secured situation, I would continue doing it. Will it replace us? I don't see that happening anytime soon. Just like with any other type of automation tool or anything that we've used, what it might do is it might change our role, right? We might go from, a good example is bookkeepers used to be data entry clerks. Now bookkeepers are so much more. I mean, their role has changed dramatically, and data entry is no longer a key component of their function. In fact, we've actually separated a bookkeeper from data entry. We don't call bookkeepers data entry anymore. Will our roles be different, maybe as a tax preparer or a preparer of financial statements? Most likely. Most likely those statements will be produced, but our role will change. And I think that's always for the better. The customers always benefit in this method. So will it kill the accounting firm? The answer is no. Will it change the way you would do business? Most likely. If you don't, will you hinder your practice? Most likely. But be careful at the present time. I'm not sure if it's at a state that we can incorporate it directly into our practices. It could be on the peripheral for now. So that's my take on it.